Connecting a printer on Windows 11 is easy, but not every time. Here's the step-by-step guide you're going to need to add a printer on a Windows laptop or desktop. Here, I'm setting up my Canon AirPrint printer wirelessly on my Windows 11 computer, and it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, right-click on the Start menu and open Settings. Select Bluetooth and Devices on the left side of the window, then select the Printers and Scanners setting. Here, you'll see a list of all printers available on your network. If nothing's showing up, then click on the Add Device button. Here, I found my Canon printer. Click on Add Device and let Windows make it ready to print by installing the required driver. That's it. If you don't see your printer here or you're getting an error, first connect the printer using the official printer app for Windows. Download it from the Windows Store. Search for your printer company name and install the app first on your Windows PC. Open the app and follow the on-screen setup instructions. For example, make sure your printer is powered on. Once the PC detects the printer, it'll show up in the window. If you haven't set it up yet, select Printer Connection. I'm going to connect it over Wi-Fi, but you can choose any option that fits your setup. Now put your printer into pairing mode. Press and hold the pairing button for about 3 seconds, then wait for the printer to be detected. I found the printer, but a driver is missing on my Windows 11 system. You can download it online. Visit the link in the video description and search using your printer's model name and number. Download the driver and install it on your Windows PC. Now the printer is ready to be added under Windows settings, just like we covered in Step 1. After that, you can print files, photos, and documents directly from your PC. Use the Ctrl and P keys together, or click the Print button to start printing. Select the printer first, choose the number of copies and page size, and then print it from your Windows PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Comment below if you need more help. Please like, share, and subscribe for new video updates.